Meaning of illogical.
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 Illogical. Illogical refers to something that is not based on sound reasoning or lacks coherence. It describes a situation, idea or argument that does not make sense or goes against the principles of logic. Illogical results can be confusing, misleading, and difficult to understand. People who use illogical reasoning often arrive at faulty conclusions that are not supported by evidence or facts. Illogical thinking can lead to poor decision-making and unclear communication. Therefore, it is important to recognize when something is illogical and attempt to clarify or correct it.